Ladies and gentlemen, make una gather here. Gather for Guinea-Kwa. Igbo culture and art display organized by Narrowgate Group Island is here again. Which day this one they happen? On Sunday the 22nd of June 2025. Venue is Clondalkin, Dublin 22. Time is 6 p.m. Okay, for me to know how to prepare. What are the activities? One day, the Bokuo Ngwadegenti. Viewing of different art all the way from Igbo land. Mmanwụ Otiaba Okuntabire
ọkụkọ na-eyi akwa n'elu akwa akwara akwa
gwam
ihe dara tintayo
Afro cultural women dance by Afro Star Island Ekeleke Ogo cultural dance. Then come the big one, the launching of the new album titled The Sonandi Okorobia by the host Mazo Kewala, the reggae messiah Wandio Mondo Ine Asino Begozi Kejawo Okorobia The Sonandi Okorobia. Oh my God, this is special. Please go ahead. Chairman of the occasion, Dr. Chijoke Chinaka. Chief launcher, Mazi Bob Ibe Diakutazi, one of the human banner. Father and mother of the day, Mr. Okumbo Odidison, Eziogo, one of Igbo land, and Mrs. None Odidison, Adadite, Onyendu. Special guest of honor, Chief Okechukwu Biesie, Okenwana Waterfall. Is there other groups invited to witness the event? Oh yes, there are many very important groups. Oya listen. Olusine Tourism Association Island, Imo Indigenous Island, Anambra State Association Island, popularly known as Asa Women Island, One Nedioto Women Island, Igbo Inon Island Waterford Branch, Indememe, Time High Chief Polycarp Anyang Umogo, one of Ashama Kingdom, Patron, Chief Mrs. Onyinyechi Anyang, Ochi Fleze, one of Ashama Kingdom, Metron, Dr. Bruni Igwe, Ochagandi Igbo Island, Committee member, Sir Chris Chime, committee member, Barrister Joe Ohanedu, secretary, Mrs. Joy Chidima, financial advisor, MC of the day, Mrs. Vivian Ojikano, MC Wanganga Oji. Please, my people, wherever you are, let us come out to support Igbo language, culture, and art in Ireland.